What's up guys? Today I wanted to show you something really interesting from AliExpress. A headband. Night buddy style silicone strap. Quite popular these days. This thing is extremely bright, especially if you are in a pitch black darkness. Unable to see anything in your surroundings. Can wear it around your head. Quite comfy and lightweight. An ideal gift for barn work, garages, carpentry, welders, electricians, trekkers, joggers, campers, climbers, and for any handyman who wants his hands free. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. Please subscribe, share, and leave a like. I've ordered 3 COB stripe model, each with 30 chip COBs and a little focus light on the side. Made of rubber mainly, and part of it is elastic, will help to grip. Can be adjusted with the buckle here. Kind of a sweatband on the forehead part. The circuitry and the battery is inside this. It's rechargeable with USB-C cable included here. Charging time is around 3 hours. On off button, and you have the sensor button here. Then induction sensors are there. LED indicator. Model is W6893. No manual inside. There are 5 light modes. Press button once and the red LED will come up and all 3 COBs will light up. Press it again and will lower intensity. Third time it will switch on focus beam with 100% and click it again will dim it. The other function is when this button is clicked, you need to power on first. The green LED will light up as well as red LED. And then you can basically pass your hand by this infrared sensor. The light will switch on and off. Will be visible in video in purple color. Not visible to naked eye though. works on all lights. You'll be glad to know that there's a SOS function as well. In order to activate that, you need to hold down power button for a few seconds. I will warn you, it's about to strobe, so just be aware if you have photosensitive disorder. And all will start strobing. Okay, I've stopped that now. Quite a handy feature, I guess. I recommend this to everyone. Real bargain to grab at 60 cents with special offers in 2025.